live now, I guess. Alright, so as you can see by the title and the thumbnail, I'm going to be working on my server for a bit more today. So I'm going to actually get some more done this time compared to last time. Last time I was completely unfunctional pretty much. So I'm just going to quickly hop into the suggestions of the server just to see what other enchants I'm adding, and that's polls, not suggestions. That's, yeah, and that's the alpha suggestions. Okay, so let's just scroll up to where I pinged people. So Lucky Miner has a chance to find other enchantment. Huh? I don't understand that. To find other enchantments. I guess he means activate. I guess, I don't know. I'm gonna add it, and I'll just call it Lucky instead of Lucky Miner though. So Lucky. Put Lucky as green, I guess. I don't really know. And then, nah. So I feel like when he says Lucky Miner, he means like Vexed MC, if you know what that is, where you have just one enchant, and whenever that one enchant activates, then all your other enchants activate. If that's the case, I don't want to do that because I want all the enchants to be separate. Like, I don't want them to be tied into each other. I don't know, I'm gonna leave it out for now. So I'm just quickly opening the stream on my phone, by the way. That's why I'm not doing anything at the moment, just so that I can see the chat. Alright, cool. So get my phone where I can see it somewhere. That's about fine. Right, cool. So I've already got a keys enchant. I don't know if I put it in though. Yeah, keys opener. So it seems a lot of people don't want that for some reason. I don't know, because I thought that was quite a good suggestion when I saw that come in. Like, automatically opening crates when you're mining, I thought that was quite a decent idea, but I don't know, I guess people don't want it, so we won't add it. Fountain. Find heaps of money based on your rank. Pickaxe enchantments and multiplier. Right, cool. I guess we're adding that. People want it, innit? So we don't want Lucky, so we'll just replace Lucky with it. Fountain. And yeah. Pickaxe. Max. Hello Blue D04. So what's this again? Right, found loads of money. So we'll keep it at 10, we'll keep it at 1,000. Nah. 2,500, I guess. And find lots of money while mining, I guess. Oh, what did I do there? No, I don't want fucking speech recognition. Have I just closed everything? What's going on? What? Since when was that a thing? And how the hell did I do it? Right, that's weird. Right. This should be, I guess this should be like an emerald or something. What did I do for fortune though? I did diamond ore. I want that to be a diamond. No, actually, ore kind of makes sense, I guess. Right. Next enchant. So people want charity. The problem with... I don't know how I feel about charity, because it just promotes being AFK. I guess if I just add an AFK timeout, then there won't be any problem with it, right? I guess. I don't know, I've always used the clips and I just haven't changed from it. I mean, I've had people recommending that I use like IntelliJ or Visual Studio or whatever, but I don't know. I feel like I'm just gonna keep sticking with this because it's what I know. Alright, I want that to be expensive, so like 50,000 or something. Charity will be for money, so I'm gonna keep it as green. And give all online players receive some money, and you receive a large amount of money. I don't know, something like that for the description, right? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make blessing, and blessing will be the tokens variant of it. So this will be like paper or something, and then tokens are blue, so I'm going to put it as blue. I'm going to put it as a slime ball. Wait, don't I already use a slime ball though? Well, I guess we'll keep it as slime ball anyway. Nah, I'm on Windows 10. Yeah, I don't know how that happened, honestly. I don't know what I did. I pressed some kind of keybind. I'm on about the chat, by the way. Someone said that they've never had their desktop switch. So, yeah, I don't know. I've never seen that happen before. I don't know how I did it either. Some tokens, and you receive a large amount of tokens. Yeah, cool. And I kind of want the token one to be even more expensive. So, prestige enchantment, perhaps makes a third currency you use prestiges as the currency. What? Oh, that's an interesting idea, you know. So, I think what he means by that is you spend like 10 prestiges to get an enchant, right? And a lot of people like it. Huh. Right. I'm gonna implement something like that. So where do I put cost? Cost, I was right at the bottom. Public static hash map string integer prestige cost equals new hash map string integer. Why not a magma cream? Because slime is the thing for thingies. Or you get a, like when you say or every prestige you get a token. Do you mean when you say every prestige you get a token, do you mean like there's like a prestige point shop in a sense? So you get a point when you prestige and then you can spend those points. Is that what you mean by that? Because that could work, and if anything, I feel like that might be a better idea than, I don't know, because as you can see here though, it's 12 to 0, oh, it's 11 to 0. Literally everyone wants this, pretty much, that's voted on it. Huh. I guess I make a poll about that, so I'm gonna copy this. Why did I do that? Why didn't I just Control C? Anyway, polls. So everyone, use prestiges for certain enchantments, or add a new prestige points currency. How do you make links with XYZ? There's a website where you can buy XYZ domains that are like $1 for a year or something. It's really cheap. It's namecheap.com if you're interested in it. So solar_a, you use your actual prestiges to purchase prestige enchantments. So this will be when you prestige, you get a prestige point. You can then spend prestige points on enchantments. What's the quality like, by the way? Is the quality alright, or is it terrible? So just check that makes sense. Use your actual prestiges for prestige enchantments. Let's just quickly add some examples of prestige enchantments would include things like charity. Yeah, I think things like charity should definitely be prestige based enchantments, right? Alright, cool, we'll post that I guess. I hope people don't get annoyed at me. Oh, welcome. Oh shit, I have to add the reactions. A, B, cool. No issues with quality, cool. That's the, like, right, so the only annoying thing about when I stream, if you look here, I have a 1080p monitor, but I have to put my resolution down to 720, otherwise, it's like, too intense to run, I guess. I mean, we can code this whole prestige cost thing for now, and then we can just implement whether it's points or not later, I guess. And the stream's not too far from the real time, it's like 10 or 20 seconds out. Yeah, not too bad. So, do we... Okay, well, one person says, okay. Well, I guess we'll wait for more responses and we'll just get it, well, we'll make sure that it's coded, but we won't actually implement it. So, this should be prestige cost instead of cost. And in fact, if that's the case, then 75,000 is way too high. Oh shit, I got two of those, I don't want two of those. Prestige cost. So, here's the problem. I can't really set these correctly because I don't know how quickly people are going to prestige. That's the problem. So, I mean, what can I do? I mean, I've kind of got to get it so that people can prestige, so that I know how quickly people are going to prestige. I'll take a guess and say that 200 and 250 will be a good amount, but I have no idea on that. That's a guess. Right, let's look at the suggestions again then. So where did I get to? I got to prestige enchants. Prestige finder has a chance to find you a prestige. What the hell does a requisite mean? Is it bad that I don't know what that means? I assume it means like you have to be Ascension 1. The problem with that is I'm going to be removing Ascensions. So I assume that's out of the question. I mean, I could add enchants that are like Ranker and Prestiger. So Ranker just ranks you up and Prestiger prestiges you. That's pretty simple, I guess. So, I mean, I'm just going to do that Ranker. Wouldn't want to be saying that quickly, that'll sound pretty wrong out of context, doesn't it? So, I'm going to make Prestiger, no, I'm going to make Ranker cost like a normal normal tokens, and instantly receive a free rank up. And what should the icon for that be? I guess like an arrow, because that's kind of, yeah. And then prestigia. That's probably not even a word, is it? But whatever. Anytime I type prestige in Discord, it always tells me it's wrong. Free prestige. So I'm gonna make this cost prestige is. I'm gonna make that cost prestige instead of what's the thing? So what did I set the other prestiges to? I set them to that. So I'm gonna set this to. Should this be more or less expensive? I think it should be less expensive because it only affects you. It doesn't affect everyone. So about 150. What other arrows are there? Are there other arrows? Yeah, Spectra arrow. Because that looks cooler and it's prestige rather than rank up, so makes sense. Multiplier finder, multipliers. I'll call it multipliers, not multiplier finder. I really should have set this up a better way than having to put everything into hash maps manually, huh? What item are multipliers again? I think they were slime balls, weren't they? Or magma. Nah, they were magma cream. Yeah. Receive. Should I say receive or find? Yeah. Find boosters while mining. Actually, I should call it boosters, not multipliers, because that's what I call them. I'm going to set this to 10 instead of 100. And this wants to be a normal cost. But it wants to be quite expensive, I feel. Let's do like 25,000 or something. None of the prices are going to be final. Like, yeah, they're going to change throughout the whole thing. Yeah, they are magma cream. Cool. The problem is, if I'm calling it greed, I'm literally just directly stealing it from Vex. Like, that's exactly what Vex calls it, and I'm not trying to be one of these, you know, one of the owners that copies Vex like fucking dozens of others do. Ah, rum. Look, mate, you got more down likes than up, down votes than up votes. For gangs, okay, I'm not adding gangs yet. Duplicate. Whenever your keys, lucky, or tokens activate, there's a chance for you to get 2 times the reward. Hell, even 4 times. Really rare though. Yeah, we can do that. That sounds like another interesting kind of system. So duplicate. So duplicate. What should the icon for that be? Huh. I actually have no idea what the icon for that should be. I'll just set it as like gold block or something for now, I guess. And chance to multiply rewards from other enchantments. Oh shit, I've not been changing the colours of any of these enchants. Ranker. Ranker can be grey. Prestige can be white. Boosters can be green because it relates to money. Actually, it will relate to money and tokens because there'll be token boosters implemented as well. Do I make them 2 separate enchants? I kind of feel like I should. Yeah, I'm going to make them 2 separate enchants. So, money boosters. And then token boosters. I've already done more than I did in the last stream. And then let's find token boosters and money boosters. And this one will be blue. And I feel like the token one should be more expensive. So I'm gonna make duplicate like 20k. Yeah, cool. That made me laugh when I read it. Huh. I could do that. I can just make it so that it replaces them with the highest block that you can sell. Yeah. Decoy though. Decoy sounds like a kind of weird name for that. I don't know what to call it though, so I'll call it for decoy. Call it decoy for now. And then if oh shit. And then if ever anyone comes up with a different idea, I can change it. Oh shit, I deleted 2 lines there. So this should be quite expensive, I think. Although it won't matter in the highest mine. I guess I'm gonna have to add another block on top of coal that's the most expensive. Otherwise it'll be completely useless in the free mine, and you're not gonna be reset to A each time you prestige, you'll stay at 3. Are you going to put these in to test them soon? I'll be adding them onto the server, and I haven't reset it yet, so it still has everything from the beta, the original beta. So what would the top most expensive block be? Did I remove coal blocks or did I keep coal blocks? Not coal, obsidian. Alright, this is where I fear for the stream getting laggy now that I'm opening Minecraft as well. But I need to see if I removed obsidian blocks. Because if I removed obsidian blocks, then I don't know what I'm going to put as the most expensive. But if I didn't, I can just set coal blocks as the most expensive pretty easily. Yes, you can get on the server. However, don't, pour tons of time into it because it's going to reset pretty soon. The IP is solarmines.xyz if you wanted to join it. That's the IP if you want to join. Go away. Okay. So, did I keep obsidian and solar mines? Okay, shit. What block can I use to be the most? I'm just gonna ask him on chat because I can see that he's in the stream, but asking him in game will probably get me a quicker response because I don't have to wait for the delay for the stream and shit. Or not, I guess. Well, let's just go to GMC and just scroll through this list to see what I could use. So I'll get rid of everything from my inventory other than that. So I could maybe use, nah, that's big stupid using moss stone, wouldn't it? I could use stone brick, but it causes an issue with people being able to craft it. I think I already use endstone slime blocks. Huh, could. Oh shit, I'm not in the general bit. Yeah, no problem. I could do beacons. The only annoying thing is you don't instantly mine them. So I'll keep slime out as a note. It won't reset until I've completed everything that I planned to change. And then nothing else is blocks. So I guess slime blocks is the best shout then. Oh god, I didn't check if they have a pickaxe in their hand. That's not good. Anyway, I think I already use endstone, so I'm just going to do slime blocks. And I'm going to set this as a slime block as well. Decoy dot slime block. Replace nearby blocks with your highest selling block. That makes sense, right? Does to me at least. How much did this cost? I set it to 10,000 because it ain't gonna activate all that often. And just as everything else, it's linked to money, so it'd be green. Right, so even though this got more votes than this did, I think I might stick to doing something like this. I don't know. You see, the problem is, people can't make up their mind, right? They vote on charity here for being yes, and then later on, they vote no. Yeah, charity won't give them a lot. It'll pretty much just like activate their tokens enchant like ×5, maybe. So it won't give them a ton, but it will give them a fair bit, right? I think that's like fair enough. Okay, I'm gonna set all of these into their actual positions. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16 will be the last one on that line. And then 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh shit, that's 10, 20. Oh, because I didn't have my finger on 1. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, and then 27, 28, 29. Huh? Yeah, true. But my point was, like, people changed their mind the whole bloody time. So where's that error? Block break in it, yeah. Okay, we'll get rid of that for now. And where's that tokens part? I want to check if their item in their hand is a pickaxe. I just get an item in hand. Okay. I'll just chuck it inside there. And then I need to move the enchant hash map, which I can't even find. Oh, it's right there. Literally right in front of me. Alright, cool. Why do I still have an error? Oh. So that should be good, right? No? Cool. Why did I not get that initializing thing before? I don't even need this right now. Because this is to do with block break and enchants. Right, that is to do with enchant, block break and enchants. I have auto cell further up. Actually, no, I'm an idiot. Auto cell isn't an enchant anymore. And I'm fed up of seeing that message in chat, so I'm just gonna call up message sem.pre and see your inventory is full. Hello, Oscar. Oh shit, that's a player, not sender. Okay. Now in the GUI. Right, I need to see what people are saying to this poll. Because here's the annoying thing. I can't really go much further with the enchants until I get a definitive answer on this poll. Huh. What do I do? Yep, I can add you to the whitelist. There you go. Oh yeah, we got some more people joining. Haha, cool. How dare you not take the subscriber role? First person to not have a subscriber. Right. So let's figure out what the best thing to do then is. I need to set up the prestige points thing. And I'm gonna be really lazy. And I'm literally just gonna copy the tokens point and change it to enchant prestige points. It's lazy, but I have a whole class set up for the economy thing, so why am I gonna rewrite it? So points, and I feel like I'm just gonna have to copy and paste that a lot of times. What should the color of prestige points be? So, let's do red. Prestige points. Prestige points. Right. This could be done so much easier. Tokens, points. Replace all, job done. Okay, I don't want add spent or get spent, that's just tokens only. Cool. I need that to be capital point P, otherwise it annoys me though. Points balance to so I pretty much just gotta, oh my god, I'm literally just gonna fucking make my life so much easier and BNC. Cool. And that's fine. I don't want people to withdraw points though. So we just remove that and then we're fine. Is there not a help message? Oh, there is. and I want these to all be capital P, otherwise it just kind of annoys me. Right, what's that thing? F3P, right? To not, yeah, okay, cool. So that's points done. We just need to make it so that it saves them. The point balance of players was loaded. The point balance of players was saved. And then we need to go to the main. That's C, not SM. And then we just need to do prestige points. I spelled prestige points wrong. Dot load, and in the disable prestige points dot save. Right, cool. So now prestige points are coded. We need to edit the GUI. So if c.cost.contains key s, else if c.prestige cost.contains key s, and then we're gonna do this will be red. And in fact, I don't really need to do that in there, do I? Get cost. So if cost that contains key ench, else if cost that prestige cost that contains key ench. So here we'll return -1. Here we will return cost plus cost times level, and here we will return prestige cost plus prestige cost. I'm being idiot.get ench times level, and I need to add that to all the other ones as well. .get ench, and I need to do that up here and here. Right, cool. So I'm still going to keep this here because it means I can set it to red instead of blue. But I get the cost, so now we need to copy that, and everywhere that we add the cost we need to paste that. I think there's only the 4 places. No, only 2. No, yeah, there is 4, because there's the 2 up here as well. Wait, let me see. So that's 0. And that's just enchants.gas. Right, cool. So let's give that a quick check, shall we? The interact won't work for now. Only on things that actually cost tokens. No, actually it'll work for everything. So let's just quickly code it as well, I guess. If cost.contains key c.cost.contains key s, meaning that it is tokens, and we'll just make a boolean false just to check if they've done it. Else if c.prestige contains key s, so if tokens.canon afford p cost, add spent and enchant. Now we don't need the boolean, we'll just do this. It's not much code to run. and then we need to figure out what to do here. So if prestige points dot can afford p and cost prestige points dot withdraw, I don't want that spent. C enchant, yeah, that's fine, I think, right? Should be good. And then we remove this part. Right, sick. So I'm gonna add some messages telling people when they purchase an enchant as well, because I didn't do that before. So core.message sim.pre, that's the player. You purchased a level of plus c.color. I can get the color of an enchant, but get s, and then plus s. Core.message sim.pre, you, sorry, but you cannot afford to purchase c.color, get s plus s, and I need to make the decimal places white as well, which is an easy task, just and f. And this message can be the same, it doesn't change. Right, that should be fine, I think. We'll test it and hope that it's fine. Oh, I need to add I need to make tokens correct actually before I restart. I forgot about that. It'll be a 1 in 1,000 chance for tokens. 0.01, so that's 100, so that's 1,000. So can I zoom out? I can't. Right. I'm gonna restart it from my phone because opening Chrome causes my laptop to lag a lot. So, panel to host. Servers, solarmines, restart. Cool. The quality of this actually looks pretty good though. I'm looking at it on my phone right now. Like honestly, I'm quite surprised that it's a decent quality. What server's this? Oh. Right. So, let's hope that worked, I guess. So, see? Okay, well the first step's good. I put some things in the wrong place, but that doesn't matter. And that's red to show. Why does it have fucking spectral arrow after it? That's like so ugly. Literally. Oh, it's because I'm in 1.8 and the server's in 1.10. Okay, that's cool. So ISK has the wrong name because it's meant to be disk. That's just too long. But that's a lot more enchants than I had before. That's a lot better. And now everyone online is just going to instantly max them all, aren't they? Yeah. How the fuck did you get 200,000 token? Oh, because it's unlimited, isn't it? Wait, let me check the messages worked. So I can't afford that because I don't have any prestige points. That's perfect. So I guess we've got some enchants to code. There's a lot of fucking green, isn't there? Jesus. Right. So I guess I'm going to just sort out all the descriptions to the enchants, which is just a very boring process. Nah, I won't do that on stream. I'll do that off stream. That's way too boring to do on stream. But I should get tokens every block break as well, right? No, cool. Can we even open lucky blocks? Oh, we can. I haven't removed that code yet. Oh shit, no, I'm not getting blocks either. Oh shit. Okay, that's probably because I removed the code that gives you blocks, is it? I guess I did. Maybe that was the code that was at the bottom then. And let's just quickly fix this again. It's full player, and I also needed to change this, add no message, and this needs to be 0.001. Right, hopefully you'll get tokens after I restart. Just as a heads up, none of these custom enchants will work. Only tokens at the moment. So don't be like, oh Ben, your enchants aren't working. I know they won't work yet. Right, server should be starting up again. How long have I been streaming now? Like 50 minutes, right? Yeah. I'll probably end the stream at about like an hour or something because I'm doing a second one later today. So yeah, I'll be adding something to this plugin. This one. I'll be adding something to that later in the stream. What about Fortune? Fortune should work, I think. Or have I removed that as well? Fuck's sake. Are you at least getting blocks now? No. I mean, to be fair, it doesn't really matter because I'm going to need to code auto sell, so I'm just going to do that instead of giving you blocks. So let's just code auto sell now, and then once I've got auto sell coded, I'll end it. So now I've got to try and remember how auto sell worked. I guess I do get worth, don't I? Yeah. No, I do sell item stack. Alright, cool. So where should this be? It doesn't need to be an enchant. Actually, it probably should. Item stack, item equals new item stack, material.air. For item stack, drop in v.get drops. Item equals drop break. drop.setAmount, no, item.setAmount, I.get enchantment level, enchantment.block, and then +1, so that it always has at least 1. And actually I want that to be a random number between, so r.next int, because otherwise it would be too OP. Right, that should be fine. And then I did that before the enchants part so that I can apply any enchants. And then right at the end I need to do new cell player dot. Is that not how I did it? Yeah, it is. Cell item stack item. And that should be fine, right? I think. And if I'm doing auto sell all the time, I don't need to add the inventory full message. Alright, that should be fine. Except from the error that I've got. Oh shit, I put that in the wrong place. Alright. Right, hopefully one more restart and you'll get money automatically. Why is the restart button grayed out on my console? I guess I'll have to just stop it and start it. And then I've just clicked start, so it'll take a minute. Hey, welcome Oscar. 11 people now, eh? Is that right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wait, am I stupid or did I just count? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, I'm just stupid. Yeah, that's pretty even, that poll, which is annoying. Ah, shit, I forgot about that. Do I have a method for that already, or do I not? Yeah, I have levels. I can easily implement that whenever I get to it. Cool. So do we get money when we mine now? Doesn't look like it, does it? No. Of course. Wait, I'm getting blocks. Is the server lagging? Because I'm not getting the blocks instantly. Oh, okay, there's an error in the console. Bound must be positive. Right. That's because it's 0 then. Are you two getting money with fortune? I think with fortune I'll get money, right? No. Okay. Why am I getting blocks now? Oh, you're getting money. Huh. That's weird, because I'm not. What did I need to edit? To block break. Was it block break? I'm not gonna lie, I've lost myself again. I forgot what I was trying to do. They're both getting money though. Do I have fortune now? I have fortune 1. Just money. That's so weird. Why am I getting blocks? Oh shit, I put that in the wrong place. Why am I getting blocks? Do I even add item to anything? I literally never add items to people's inventories. Why am I getting blocks? There's no errors when I'm mining. What if I get more fortune levels? No, I'm still not getting money. But they're both getting money. So why aren't I? Oh, is it because I don't have a rank where I can sell to? No, I have A. I'm A. Oh, I can't sell these to fucking A, can I? Yeah, okay. Cool, that's just me being an idiot. So, CI kit starter, CI kit starter. So let's just check. Fortune 0. You get no money. Oh, I need to restart to fix that, don't I? Hopefully this is the last restart that's needed then. Okay, sorry, I wasn't looking at the chat before. Isn't 4 gigabytes of RAM too little, or are you going to increase it? I've never really had issues with running on 4 gigabytes so far, that I can tell. But yeah, if it's too low, I'll increase it if I need it, if I can. But it seems fine at the moment. I mean, this server runs on it, my other server. The 4.44. I mean, the TPS is pretty hurtful at the moment, even though nothing's going on. How can I see the uptime of it? I don't even know. Anyway, let's see if that's worked. Yeah, okay, cool. I get money without any fortune now. Right, sick. So I'll figure out all of this. I'll fix this GUI off stream. So I'll fix like all of the laws, the descriptions and stuff off camera. I'll do that between the streams because that's really boring. I should probably just quickly check prestige points. Oh no, I never set up the command for it, did I? Yeah, we'll quickly do that, I guess. SM, where's that? I thought I had it open. Get command prestige points. Dot set execute a new prestige points. And then plug in .yml. Prestige points, aliases, p points, and description. Base command for prestige points. Alright, let's give that a test. If this works, then I'll call that the end of the stream. And if it doesn't, then I'll make sure I get it to work before I do. So just quickly restart server on my phone. So My other stream is planned for about 6 hours from now. I plan to stream again at 6 p.m. And that'll be a bit more organized than this because I have a final goal. I've been asked to do stuff for this plugin, so yeah, I know what I'm doing there. As well as when it comes to this stream, I've got like 50 things I need to do, so I don't know which ones I should be doing. Points. Let's just quickly that, and points give asking 100. Actually, I need 150 so that I can test this. Cool, that's perfect. Right, so I think that will call that the end of this stream. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed. Please leave a like if you have. To be fair, we've had more people in the stream the whole time than I expected. Not as many as last time though, unfortunately, but it's like it's midday for people like me that are probably in school still, and all the Americans are probably still asleep or getting ready for school. So, you know, 3 viewers, I'll take that. Anyway, so I hope you've enjoyed. Please leave a like if you have, and I'll catch you in the next stream. Time to end it. Yeah.